Good morning. Today we discuss about the topic PCNF and PDNF. Working rule for PDNF. We have 6 steps. Step 1. Rewrite the given statement formula in terms of and, or, and negation alone. Step 2. Remove arrow. Step 3. Apply each term and T. Step 4. Instead of T, apply P or negation P. Step 5. Apply distributive laws. Step 6. Apply commutative rule. Similarly, working rule for PCNF. Step 1, Step 2 similar for PDNF, and also Step 5, Step 6 also similar for PDNF. Step 3 and Step 4 only changed. The changing are instead of and T, here we add RF, then instead of F apply PN negation P. Problem number 1. Obtain the PCNF of S. Negation P implies R and Q if and only if P. Hence obtain PDNF without using truth table. Solution. First we have to find PCNF. Given statement are negation P implies R and Q if and only if P. This can be written as negation P implies R and Q implies P and P implies Q, because if and only if means Q implies P and P implies Q. Next step, negation P implies R can be changed P or R. Similarly for Q implies P and P implies Q also. Then we go to step 3, that means add RF from the above 3 premises P or R, negation Q or P, negation P or Q. Next step, replace F equal to Qn negation P, R and negation R, R and negation R for above RF value. Next step, we apply the distributive law. We have a 6 result. Here 3 and 4 both are same value, so taking any one of result only. So we have a required PCNF, that is P R Q R R and P R negation Q R R and P R negation Q R negation R and negation P R Q R R and negation P R Q R negation R. Now we go to find PDNF. Before that we have to find negation S value. That values are P R Q or negation R and negation P R negation Q R R and negation P R negation Q R negation R. Negation S means remaining max term of PCNF. Now once again considering negation of negation S, we obtain negation of negation S values, that is P R Q R negation R and negation P R negation Q R R and negation P or negation Q or negation R. Now multiple by negation in both them, we have required PDNF, that is negation P and negation Q and R, or P and Q and negation R, or P and Q and R, which is required PDNF of S. Thank you.